I have seen why the number of medications going 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then finally patient landed up with complications, insulin and so many diseases. 99% of the doctors out of there have no knowledge on this thing. If you join my program, you learn that secret things. You become your own doctor. In my programs, thousands of patients already reversed and they are not taking any medications. They are now free of that. Are you suffering from diabetes and you are wondering so many courses, you have watched a lot of courses, then I have prepared a special courses for you, the ultimate diabetes reversal course, that your step-by-step guide to ending the type 2 diabetes right from your home, friends. Myself, Dr. MAdhab Nayak, MBBS, MD. I am a low-carb nutritionist and metabolic health coach. I welcome you to this program, and this diabetes reversal course I have designed from various aspects. I have conducted around 60-70 camps, and where I gain the practical experiences, how to taper the medications, which medicines to taper first, which medicines to taper second, and what diet is the right diet for the diabetes patient. So this course is the must for any diabetes or participant who are suffering from obesity, or those who are suffering from fatty liver, blood pressure, PCOD problem, gastric problem. So this kind, all these participants suffering from lifestyle disease are best to join my programs and get the benefits. Okay, then these programs, so many people are making so much of courses, right? But why should you trust me? Okay, I have graduated my MBBS from Bhimsar Medical College, Bulla, then MD in Department of Community Medicines, where we give teaching to the medical students about the nutrition, applied nutrition. Okay, and this is our job to educate you what kind of nutrition for which kind of disease, right? And I was previously working as assistant professor in SRM Medical College, and even I also worked 1 year in your BBMCH Balangir Medical College in Odisha, and now I am independently working as the founder of DIREV, that is Diabetes Reversal Programs and Counseling Center. After researching a lot of books on this during my MBBS period, during my MD period, I have seen why the number of medications going 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then finally patient landed up with complications, insulin and so many diseases. What is the problem? What we missed in my MBBS times? And after researching that, I found there is a lack of knowledge gap. That means patients are unaware about the right diet, right education, and that is where I develop a course, a program. I include everything step by steps. Okay, so in my programs, what you'll get, if you don't, so before joining the program, why we need reversal? Why we need it? Because I am taking one medicine, two medicine, three medications, then my sugar is controlled. So where should I join? I have seen a lot of patients, those who are not reversing their disease but taking bunch of medications, finally ended up with this kind of complications from leg to head, head to toe, every organs affected with diabetes. Remember friends, diabetes is a disease of your blood vessels. It will affect your blood vessels and it will create blocking. That is called by the process of atherosclerosis. So suppose if you are suffering from any kind of complications from head to toe, that is because of blockage to the artery. So my friends, you see diabetic foot ulcer, diabetic nephropathy, kidney problem, stroke, brain stroke, heart attacks, all these complications develop because of uncontrolled diabetes. Okay, and so in my programs, if you join, you able to gradually stop the complications and become a normal. Okay, friends. So that's why reversal or remission is necessary now. And what you will get in my program, friends? You'll get every points I have described in my course, everything details step by step. I'll explain that. First step, understanding the root cause, because without knowing the true cause, we cannot solve the root problem, right? Then effective dietary strategy, practical, what you can follow right from your home. Natural lifestyle changes. I help to implement the natural lifestyles along with the diet, some biohacks like barefoot walking, exercise, everything. Okay. Then role of exercise and movement. That means muscle building, how to build up your muscles by strength training, everything I'll guide. Then blood sugar monitoring made easy. You can use CGM or by home, how to monitor that, what is the right way. That will help me to taper down your medications. Then stress management technique, some supplements and natural remedies like most common now deficient patient are vitamin D deficient, vitamin K2 deficient, and your sometimes patient are deficient of vitamin B12, magnesium deficient, everything included in my program. Debunking the diabetic myths, because so many participants have no clarity on the diets, right? And creating a sustainable health plan, and so many success story you can watch my program in my program, and you got the results, right? You just see this thing in my programs. You will develop such kind of knowledge that 90%, 99% of the doctors out of there have no knowledge on this thing. If you join my program, you learn that secret things, you become your own doctor, right? And after reading these simple explanations and all the medical science, that diabetes, the disease, I have simplified in a simple way, right? And in my program, I clarified the myths. Okay, I debunked the myths. So many myths are there in diabetes. Once you become diabetes, you cannot take ghee. You cannot take fats. You need to follow a low carb diet. Low fat diet. Eh? You need to take insulin for lifetime. You need to take medicines for lifetime. So many myths are there. In my programs, thousands of patients already reversed, and they are not taking any medications. They are now free of that, right? So that things I will step by step explain to you, and discover the rules to effectively reverse the diabetes, and what are the rules and strategy I'll explain to you. And this scientific program will take you a diabetes free life, complications free life, so that in future you have minimum risks of complications. And you see some success stories in my program. Mr. Guru Prasad Dora was suffering from diabetes. When he joined my program, was 97 kg, HbA1c 10, insulin, then high blood sugar, HOMA IR was 8, insulin fasting 14.2. No one is doing this HOMA IR insulin fasting also, but in my program, I'll do a full profile test first. That's called direct advanced profile test. And after 3 months, you also see this kind of results, friends. This kind of results. So many patients already got. Not only one participant, you see Mr. Ramakant Pradhan sir, and he was diabetes with so much of medications, and also he had blood pressure, and now he's reversed, and his blood pressure even reversed, his weight loss, his sugar come to normal, right? And not only 1, 2, and 3, even aged persons like Bhavani Prasad Babu, he was suffering from diabetes, 20 years history of diabetes with so much of medications, HbA1c 13 points, now 6%. So many kind of benefit you will got in my programs, right? And you see, weight loss. So many people are joining so much of programs of weight loss, but they don't know the root cause. That is the insulin resistance, and I work on the root cause of obesity. That is insulin resistance. So when I work on the root cause, you see the results from 108 to 73 within 6 months, right? So, and in my program, what are the uniqueness, so that you can join and get this benefit? After you enroll my course, after enrollment to my course, you will one-to-one doctor consultation, then private apps access, where I have recorded a course of some basic videos, what is diabetes, what are the types of diabetes, and steps to reverse the diabetes, insulin resistance, everything, right? Then call from our nutrition expert. Then every day your food plate review is very, very important, because what are the mistakes in the food plate you are doing that we need to change. Then progress tracking chart. We, as per the reports, your sugar and blood pressure, we need to check that, and as per that we taper down your medications. Then personal mentor assign every weekly classes, Zoom classes, WhatsApp support, everything we give. So that's why you become long term, follow that in a sustainable way. Okay, so friends, if you are interested to join that program, this is the last chance. This ultimate diabetes program is designed in such a way that will really give you from knowledge, then personalization, customized approach, Zoom classes, one-to-one consult with me, and so that you right from your home you can able to reverse your disease and become normal. So this is the last time I request, don't miss the program and join this program now by just clicking below link, and then I'll see you in the next video of the course, where you can able to learn step by step guide. Then because after you enroll the program, then I'll talk with you in a session. You book the consultation with me. After the consultation, I'll write some testings to you. Then after the testing, I'll advise what are the food you need to change as per your reports. Then we guide you. Okay, friends. So all these things included in my course. So thank you so much. If you interested, don't miss it. Final call. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.